Concrete mixer pump is a combination of concrete mixer and concrete pump. It can mixing concrete and pump concrete to the construction site. Generally no need additional concrete supply. In order to improve production efficiency, it can work with wheel loader for loading aggregates. It can save labor cost and reduce feeding time and improve capacity. Match with aggregates batching machine to improve production automation and production efficiency. Aggregates batcher with weighing system can improve the weighing accuracy, improve the efficiency, and improve the weighing accuracy at the same time. Match with concrete mixer or transit mixer truck to improve production efficiency. The pumping capacity of the concrete mixer pump is greater than the mixing capacity. With the additional use of a mixer or commercial concrete can double the capacity. Concrete mixer pumps are mostly used in buildings under 10 floors. The customer use concrete mixer pump for 3 floors building construction. The wheel loader is used to feeding aggregates, saving labor and improving construction efficiency. This is a relatively common case of residential construction. It can also be used for interior decoration, road construction, parking lot construction, flood control, etc. Concrete mixing pumps can be used in house construction, both mixing and pumping. It can effectively solve the problems of untimely delivery of commercial concrete in remote construction sites. The concrete mixing pump can be used for road construction. The concrete pipeline occupies a small space. Half of it can be constructed, and half of it can be reserved for the road. Concrete mixing pump can be used in parking lot, workshop construction. Both horizontal construction and vertical construction have good construction effects. It is a cost-effective choice for small and medium-sized construction sites. Concrete mixer pump is easy to operate. It can be operated by buttons or by remote control handle. Ensure the safety of production and construction. Operators can learn to operate it in one day and put it into production smoothly. SMAT engineers are proficient in English and can assist customers with installation and training both online and on-site. Your inquiry is highly appreciated if you have small or medium projects which need concrete volume less than 200 cubic meter per day. Thank you.